Hello and welcome to our channel Mockup Art. Today we have a plastic cosmetic jar mockup. If you want this mockup, link can be found in the description box. So let's get started. First we are going to use the pen tool to create an outline for the selection. Just click on the edges here. It is automatically created the points. You don't have to precise at this moment. Just follow along those lines. You can reduce the opacity to make visible the lines. Use the anchor point tool and click on the line. Automatically anchor will be added and just curve them out. Try to be precise here. Okay, now bottom part is ready. We are going to create same shapes for the cap area. Use the pen tool and just tap here and there. For the intersect point, you don't have to any precisement. We can remove this later. Now our selection is ready. Now use the rectangle tool and create a rectangle. It will be the holder or smart object for our design placing. Change with any color you want, then right click on the rectangle and convert it to a smart object. Reduce the opacity so you can see where it's actually placed. Now use Ctrl T to transform and rotate it down it a little bit. Right click on it and use swap. From the wrap, change the custom option to arc. Make the arc selection according to your taste. select the area and mask from the smart object. Select the top area and create a solid color layer. Now you can see we have selected too much areas, so just select the bottom area and click on the top area mask. Then change the foreground and background color to black and white and use the brush to stroke it out. Don't forget to make the opacity to 100% or else you are going to get some ghosting effect. Select both of them and create a copy using Ctrl J. Make 2 copies of them and name them light, midtone and shadow, top to bottom order. Change the color mode to liner burn for the shadow. Liner dodge add, adjustment, levels, reduce the level for midtone. For the light layer, change the color mode to screen. Go to image adjustment and reduce the level. Open up the smart object and place or create the design you want to make. depending on color, change the cap color or the background color. Create the background layer and create a solid color layer above it and make it liner burn. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for future updates.